Vlog 9. Karely Gosht recipe plus daily life vibes. Assalamu alaikum dostan. Welcome back to Vlog 9. I hope you're all doing well. Today started with a peaceful Fajr prayer, followed by a strong cup of chai and a quick walk to soak in the morning breeze. I spent some time organizing my spice rack because, you know, a happy kitchen means a happy cook. Now let us dive into today's delicious recipe, Karely Gosht, a classic Pakistani dish made with bitter gourd and mutton. It's flavorful, comforting, and perfect with roti or rice. Ingredients you'll need: ingredient quantity, mutton kilogram, karla kilogram, onions 2 medium, tomatoes 3 medium, green chilies 6, ginger garlic paste 1 TBSP, red chili powder 1 TSP, turmeric powder 1/2 TSP, coriander powder 1 TSP, whole spices 1 TBSP, salt 1 TSP or to taste, oil 1/2 cup, water 2 cups. Step-by-step cooking method: prep the Karely peel and slice the Karelas. Rub with salt and let sit for 1 hour to reduce bitterness. Rinse thoroughly, squeeze out excess water, and fry until golden brown. Set aside. Cook the mutton in pot. Heat oil and salt sliced onions until golden. Add ginger garlic paste and fry for a minute. Add mutton, salt, red chili, turmeric, coriander powder, and whole spices. Pour in 2 cups of water, cover, and cook until the meat is tender. Combine and simmer. Add chopped tomatoes and green chilies to the cooked mutton. Stir well and cook until tomatoes soften. Add the fried Karely and mix everything. Cover and simmer on low flame for 15 to 20 minutes until flavors blend beautifully. Serve hot, garnish with fresh coriander if desired. Serve with warm roti or steamed rice. Enjoy. I hope you like my vlog and today's recipe. Please show some love and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.